rise to the occasion, strive to be amazing. Our job is to get up, then God does the changing. So through affliction, when it's burning, it's hurting, it's aching, use it as your motivation. And know for sinners to succeed, we need purification.
You kick down to the ground and you hurt and all hope is gone. Never ever give up, no you can't. Dust yourself off and get up again, get up again. Cause when the time comes and you're standing before your Lord, that's the only time that you truly win. Cause you never gave up, never gave in. So get up again, get up again.
Every one of us has a journey, and the hard times is the story. When you push through what you've been through, come out on the other side brand new. I know I make it sound easy, but it's always there, believe me. When you keep going the extra mile, expect God to make it worth your while, and turn your frown into a smile. And you don't even know how you made it. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world, baby. I know it's scary, but everything is temporary. So you don't have to worry, no you don't have to worry.
You kick down to the ground and you hurt and all hope is gone. Never ever give up, no you can't. Dust yourself off and get up again, get up again.